Incentive-based marketing, it used to, like the form that I'm going to show you with vacations, used to only be available to large corporates, and now small to medium businesses can do it. But it's basically using any kind of incentive to supercharge your offers. So the best at incentive-based marketing in the world actually happens to be the richest man in the world as well, Jeff Bezos. So Amazon, sign up for Amazon Prime and we'll give you Amazon Prime Video for free. Does that make sense? So you get like Netflix for free when you sign up to their shipping, and then they know if you sign up to their shipping that you're going to spend more money there, you're more likely to go there as your first place to buy. Everyone, again, everyone laughed at him when he did it, but he was right, and he's very, very smart. So they're the best at incentive-based marketing in the world. They do it on the biggest scale. Sports Illustrated, has anyone seen this one before? The football phone? It's from the 80s. For those of us who are old enough to have seen this, basically they needed a way to sell more magazine subscriptions, and so they did 1 million magazine subscriptions with sign up, get a magazine subscription, and we'll give you the football phone for free. Because there's so many football fans there. Andy, my business partner, he said, I had one of those. He hadn't even really realized that he was going to end up in the incentive-based marketing business, and he had it done to him. McDonald's do it really, really well. The Happy Meal, so you're heading down the highway, the kids are screaming, you just call over in McDonald's and you get them a Happy Meal and the kids are playing with the toy. You're not even really concerned about the price. If they say it's $9 versus $8, you don't care. You just want that kid to shut up and stop screaming, so you can just get down and enjoy the rest of this relo do you're about to go to that's 7 hours down the road. Get all these people together for Christmas, add alcohol that don't normally get together, that kind of family enjoyment stuff. So McDonald's is helping with that. Can anyone else relate to this, or am I? No, everyone's like, yes. Family trips. All right, cool. And then JD, John Dwyer, who's come along to this group, absolute marketing genius, and when he did with the Greater Credit Union, to be fair, he's really who I learnt this concept really, really well from. With the Greater, switch to the Greater and get a free holiday when everyone else was selling, competing on interest rates. They didn't compete on interest rates at all. They just said switch and get a free holiday. Okay, so incentive-based marketing, an example. So here's a standard business saying, we offer a great service at a great price. And then here's an incentive-based marketing example saying, we offer a great service at a great price, plus we'll give you a free vacation. And then the customers, it's like a no-brainer. So if Glenys and I are both offering a service to Josh, and then she's giving a free holiday and mine I'm not, and the services are the same, he's going to choose her every time, that kind of thing. So it's just, that's just the way it works. So this is the win-win-win. This is how we're able to do it and why it's so good. So the whole hotel or resort says, hey, we have 30 to 40% of our rooms not sold at any one time. It's costing us time and money. And then this is where Advertising Boost, which is soon to be Marketing Boost, says, hey, our business owner community can put customers in these rooms for you who'll spend the bar, the restaurant, etc. So on average, if you put people in for a week, they might be worth like $500, that kind of thing. And then from there, the business owners basically are like, great, we'll give this away as incentive to our customers and exceed their values. And then the customers are basically like, great, I'm telling everyone about this, I just got a free holiday, and then $700 at the resort. So it's actually, it's amazing. It's a perfect ecosystem. It's really, really cool. All right, so 7 benefits of it. The first one, like you can become the dominant player in your market. So it makes it difficult for others to compete with you. This was the diagram we looked at before. Like our friend Mick Clancy, he said, we're just helping him implement it in a gym in Adelaide. And he said, how can I stop my competition from knowing about this? Mick. He's like, how can I stop my competition from knowing about this? Because he's a sharp dude. He just got it in an instant. There's no way you can stop them from knowing about it. But that sort of shows how good it is. Number 2, so you can make more profit by setting a fair, profitable price and not having to set your prices. One of the things we've spoken about today is if you do a race to the bottom, you're just killing your profit. So you don't want to do that. So here where the standard business approach is saying, they're saying, hey, ours is the cheapest price. And here you can say, it's a great product and service at a fair price and we'll give you a free vacation. You know what I mean? So generally the bonus will still be big enough to get them across the line. Another one you can do is increase online conversion rates. So say for example here it's like a $297 course, you know, buy now, or here it's a $297 course, but you'll get a free vacation as a bonus, then they're going to choose the second one. Basically, that's the way that it would work out pretty much every time. You can also use scarcity and urgency to get them buying. So this could work in the gym space, for example. You know, get your gym membership by the end of June, and we'll give you a free vacation, you know, that kind of thing. So yeah, I'll get started now so I don't miss out on the free vacation. That's kind of like another way to use it. Another way to use it is to strategically place your incentives to get them spending more. So here you've got option X, which is $297, option Y, which is $497. You get more ticks, so you get more things in it, but you'll also get a free vacation. And then so they buy the bigger option because, well, they get more stuff, but also to get the free vacation sort of thing. The sixth way of using it is switch to ABC. Oh yeah, so getting your competition to come across. This is a JD one, like switch to ABC Corp and we'll give you a free vacation. Do that. And the seventh one, it's basically just talking about, yeah, you're getting more viral word of mouth. So take action and we'll give you a free vacation. Then like, check this out, we just got that. Yeah, so that's basically how that works, significant word of mouth marketing. And for you as a business owner, it costs like $300 a year or $500 a year to do it. And then you just basically choose who you want to give it to.